Greetings everybody, this is Dave Matuzik. I'm a solutions consultant here at Trimec, and I have a very quick Mastercam wire tip for all of you. I'm going to talk about breaking entities for chaining purposes. And there's a little hidden feature in Mastercam wire that many people aren't familiar with. So those of you who are Mastercam wire users are familiar with this scenario. I'll do a contour and I'm going to click my thread point and my chain, and you're used to a result like this. The wire will thread at the thread point and then immediately go to the start of that chain and cut around. So one way many people deal with this is they'll come in and they'll break the entity where they want the chain to start. So they might come in and break two pieces and manually break that entity. Well, that solves my problem, because now I can start at my thread point and cut. And we'll see here that we have the result that we wanted. But that was an extra step. I had to go in and break that entity where I wanted it to start. So Mastercam actually gives you a way to do that automatically. So let me show you how that works. I'm going to go here to contour again, and I'm going to turn on an option. So under chaining here we have options, and there's one here in Mastercam wire called break closest entity to thread point. Now I'm going to click my thread point and click my chain. You can see that my chain is starting up here, but watch the magic. I'm going to hit OK and OK, and you'll notice that it automatically broke that entity where it was closest to the thread point. So you can see here I'm threading where I want to thread and cutting around, so that will break all my entities for me. Alright, just thought I wanted to share that with all of you. Hope you all have a good day, and for more information please feel free to reach out to us. And this is one of those topics that is covered in our Mastercam wire class. Thanks everybody, and have a great day.